I got a question for you. Does makeup for women go too far? Have you ever felt that a woman's makeup has been applied entirely too much? I'm going to show you guys a photo, and I want you to be real with me. And I want you to let me know what you think. All right? So we're going to look at this girl right here. All right, Caucasian young lady. Not really my cup of tea, to be real with you. She looked like a big girl. Ain't nothing wrong with it. And just not my cup of tea, right? She looks like tall. Like, look at her fucking stature. Look at me on the damn camera. Like, she got a lot that she hiding with that hair. So, anywho, right? She look all right, though. Makeup on point. Would this be somebody, in your opinion, that you would be interested out and about, right? Going downtown, you hitting a club, you at the bar having a couple of drinks, you run into this lady, you might like her, right? Cool. You bring her home, you know, you guys exchange a very nice evening with each other. You wake up the next morning, and this is what you see. Woo! Holy shit. I was stunned and baffled are like the first two words that come to my mind. How? Like, yo, makeup is like dark arts. This shouldn't be legal. You should not be able to do your makeup to this extent and you look like a whole nother person. Yo, shorty got missing teeth, rosacea, don't even got eyebrows. Look at shorty on the right. This is why, as men, you gotta look for key things out here, man. You gotta look at her scalp. If you don't see her scalp, it's a wig, brother. Okay? If it's thick as fuck and you can't see through it, it's a wig. So just know there's a chance this girl's bald-headed. Okay? Now, damn, look, and you know, the more I look at the photo, I'm gonna be real with you. I really do believe that's her. Look at the curve on her lip. That's a very indented curvature, right? Like, that's something you can identify from left to right. And this was a video. You already know I haven't mastered how to put the damn videos on this bitch, but fuck. This looks very frustrating for some people out there. I'm glad I'm not out here dating because this is bullshit. Imagine like you're with someone and they keep their makeup on all the time and then you have kids with them and they pop out looking like Olga. Hell nah, that's wild. What do you guys think about this shit? Should there be a certain like rule or law? Like, fellas, if you're dating a girl and she is always caked up in terms of makeup on her face, you gotta do the good old fashioned finger swipe of the eyebrows. Finger swipe that face. I want to see what's underneath. All right? Because this is fuckery. She's even missing teeth, for God's sake. She don't even have teeth, bro. And then she's got teeth over here and this flawless golden bronze skin. Guys, if you fall for shit like this, I'm going to be real with you. You'll fall for a trans, period. Trying to act like you didn't know. You got to know. You got to know. You just don't want to know. That's the thing. I can't believe that shit. Yo, how do they do it? It's like Halloween. It's like turning an ugly person super ugly. I mean, wait, a pretty person super ugly, right? It's like, oh shit, how did you transform her? She's so beautiful. Now she's ugly. This is like vice versa. This is insane. What do you guys think about this, man? I'm not happy with this shit one bit. I think that is foolery, and you should go to jail for like fakeness and shit, bro. Impersonating a beautiful woman. This is bullshit. I ain't with it. I don't like it. This bitch gotta go. Lying to us, y'all. Lying. And this isn't just what some women do. There's a lot of women that are doing this. We all got to be very careful out here. Mind your P's and Q's. Get those fingers ready to check them brows, because this is bullshit. Take her to the pool on a date. All right? Oh, we're going to go on a date. Don't tell her you're going to the pool. Don't tell her you're going to the beach. Just be like, oh, we're going to go to a bar, and you go to the beach. And you're like, oh, we're going to a pool in the bar. But we're going to it at the bar after. Yeah, and you splash some agua on them damn cheekbones, and you see what's really underneath. She's hideous.